Welcome back. When you open the Adobe Photoshop for the first time, the first interface you see is the Photoshop welcome screen. So Photoshop welcome screen looks exactly like this. This is it. So the work of Photoshop welcome screen is that it shows you your recent job, the job you have created before. It shows you, it displays it on at a glance for you. Even the job that you created last week, it displays it for you. These are some of the job that is here that have been created for some time now. This 11 days ago, this 15 days ago. In case you want to resume from the work instead of finding it, so that is the work of Photoshop welcome screen. So for you to create a new page, come to create new at the left hand side. Create new, then you get a dialog box. Here you can make your size, the size you want. Either you size it in inches, like this is the width, this is the height. Either you size it in inches or you size it in pixels. But me, I love using inches. Let me say 10 by 10 inch. This is the resolution. The lowest resolution is 72. But I'm going to be using 300. The higher the resolution, the sharper your work or your design. So the normal color mode is RGB. So after setting this, you OK it. Okay, here is the interface of Photoshop. It's always in black. It's always in a black mode. So in the Photoshop interface, we have the tools. At the left hand side, we have the tools bar. This is the tools bar. The tools bar, it has only one column, but you can also make it to be in two columns like this by clicking this arrow to give it two columns. That is for the tools bar. Then at the center, we have the working space, which is called the canvas. This center is called the canvas, and at the right hand side we have different panels. We have the color swatches, gradient, pattern. Each panel is very important. We have our layers. Layer panel is very important. At the top we have the menu bar, which contains the menus. Each menu contains menus. The next one is the option bar. This option bar is below the menu bar. Option bar works hand in hand with the toolbox. Whatever tool I clicked here, the option bar will change. So it camouflages, it changes. It does not have a particular permanent content. So if I click on selection, it will change. If I click on this, okay, frame tool, it changes. If I click on hand, it changes. If I click on this, that's dash tool, it changes. So option bar is not permanent at that point. Then at the bottom here we have the status bar. You can set the status bar in different dimension. So here is document dimension. I can decide to change it to the document sizes. This document size, I want to adjust it. Document profile. We have current tool. The current tool we are using. If I choose the lasso tool to show me polygonal lasso, if I choose the ellipse, it will show the ellipse tool. To show the rounded rectangle, yes, that's the ellipse tool to show it's right there. Okay, let me look for ellipse. Okay, ellipse tool to show the ellipse tool. So that's the work of the status bar. But and your layer count, these are your layers. This place are your layers. I only have one layer here, so the layer count will show me only one. But if I have more than one layer, like about 10 layers, let me click layers, plus, See, is increasing. So I have 4 layers here. I have 4 layers here. So to show me 4. So that's the work of the layer count. But the default command there is document dimension. It's a document dimension.